How to add funds to your Webull account.
Okay, I'm currently in the Webull application on my mobile device and I'll demonstrate precisely how to add money to your Webull account in a straightforward manner. Begin by selecting the central button which will then ask you to input your trading security code. This is something you establish during setup to safeguard your account against unauthorized access, transactions or fund withdrawals. I'll enter this security code now and return momentarily. Having entered my security code correctly, you can observe we've arrived at the main dashboard. This displays my account status with approximately $160 available. The performance chart appears above showing account activity. Now I'll demonstrate depositing $100 into the account. Navigate to the transfer section, choose deposit and specify your desired amount. My bank account is already connected as visible here. If yours isn't linked yet, locate the link a bank account option. This utilizes PLED, a secure industry standard method for connecting financial institutions. You'll connect by entering your banking credentials or using routing and account numbers if preferred. After linking, input your desired amount. Let's use $100. We'll transfer this amount directly to Webull by selecting confirm. The process completes once confirmation appears on screen.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.